Hi guys, it's Gaz here at Gaz World Channel. I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK. Here I've got this beautiful hyper-naked 2022 Yamaha Mt09 in Cyan Storm colour. It's a beautiful bike. They have your CP3 triple engine, 890cc, liquid cooled double overhead cam. The engine produces 120 brake horsepower at 10,000 RPM with 93 Newton meters. Top speed of approximately 161 miles per hour. Just like to show you a nice detail. Close up. Black and chrome Yamaha badge with the Mt09 graphics. This naked bike is probably one of Yamaha's most popular bikes. I'll just show you ground clearance here, which is 143 millimeters. Your air intakes, LED indicators, there you've got your front suspension, which is 41mm inverted fork with adjustable preload with a travel of 5.1 inch. The front brake is a dual hydraulic ABS. The disc size is 298mm. You've got 17-inch cyan blue 10-spoke lightweight wheels, as you can see. Some people love them, some people don't like them. Personal choice. I don't actually mind them. You have to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. The front headlight is a single projector LED. Nice grips, start button. You've got a 3.5-inch full colour TFT screen. You got your traction control, a few other bits. The petrol tank holds 14 litres of petrol, and the bike does approximately 49 miles to the gallon. Your rear suspension is a single shock adjustable preload and a rebound dampening with 4.8 inch of travel. That's your key. Take the seat off. Rear brake, single disc hydraulic, which is same again, ABS with a disc size of 245mm. LED indicators on rear and LED tail light. Some detail on the wheel in red and black. There you've got your 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch. You've got a quick shifter. CP3 logo. This bike's got a wet weight of 189 kilograms. It's got a total length of 2090 millimeters. Just pan back so you can see the seat. It's got a seat height of 825 millimeters. Here at the Gaswell channel, obviously you can see that I've got a passion for motorbikes, so if you do the same or you like cars and bikes, make sure you get subscribed to this channel, because I'm going to be doing plenty of reviews, so keep your eye on the channel. If you're interested in this bike, the price is $9,100 on the road, and like I say, I'm here at CMC Chesterfield in the UK. I'm going to put the link to their website in the description, so if you're interested, contact the sales team. And as you can see, there's plenty of bikes in stock, plenty to pick from. (2022) Mt09, plenty of Yamahas in stock. I've been Gasworld, thanks for watching, I hope you subscribe. See you in the next motorbike video, thank you.